I'm excited to introduce a new GraphicsFlow feature that's designed to streamline your art approval process, Art Approval Line Item Event Tracking. This enhancement is all about making collaboration smoother and keeping everyone on the same page. Managing the art approval process can sometimes be challenging, especially when multiple collaborators are involved. Miscommunications can lead to delays and disputes. To help with that, we've enhanced our Timeline Events feature to give you better visibility and control. With this update, you'll get detailed visibility into every action taken during the art approval process. When someone approves, rejects, or comments on a design, each interaction is now recorded in a timeline. This ensures that you have a clear record of what's happening, helping to improve transparency and keep your projects on track. Here's how the feature works. Both your team and any collaborators will see a timeline of all actions related to art approvals. By default, the timeline is collapsed, but you can expand it whenever you want to see the details. The timeline will log everything from the creation of the art approval, including approvals, rejections, comments, archival events, and reopening of items. This comprehensive tracking helps ensure that every step is documented so nothing slips through the cracks. As soon as any action is taken, the timeline updates in real time. This means that everyone involved always has access to the most current information, which is essential for keeping the process moving efficiently. Here are some real-world scenarios where this feature will really make a difference. Collaborative approval processes. When multiple stakeholders need to approve artwork, the timeline clearly shows who has approved or rejected each item and when. This transparency helps avoid confusion and keeps everyone accountable. Dispute handling. If there's ever a disagreement about the final artwork, the timeline provides a detailed record of the entire approval process. You'll be able to see exactly who approved what and when, making it easier to resolve any issues. Project tracking. For shops handling multiple projects at once, keeping track of each approval status can be a challenge. The timeline allows you to quickly see where each project stands, who has reviewed the artwork, and who still needs to respond. The Art Approval Line Item Event Tracking feature is a valuable tool for improving your art approval process. With enhanced visibility, real-time updates, and a clear record of every action, you'll be able to manage your projects more efficiently and reduce the risk of miscommunication. We're confident this feature will be a great addition to your workflow, and we look forward to seeing how it helps you streamline your art approvals. For more information, reach out to your GraphicsFlow success team.